of communal tukuteka nkatapu omukyaro abantu nibasoro genda nibehe amaizi nibagareta ni hamaka hanju nke yogo mumwongere miliyoni n'ogo mushaije so that ebindi neja kubikora mpora ati araho abanda abari mbange abomucyaro abomukisundu kino 10 abakomeremu bari nkana beja umujo hata wampele milionemu mujibayeleze
Waito wakitenusa na chairperson resiwa na hakiaro na waro hano watamurare mulaine mu ba members tarumu aino muntu wajwekire sazunu letu nawo ko muntu aroho akwera na saba kapikipiki nako kamuhebwa agenda akavuga
every don't interfere with my affairs iwo churera mtuzo tamu songa zangi mfurire hata uri muhara wange obakomere mu cyaro betunka okwali omukyara no kamwe katukutuku ali nkayero sipa oh this is the one. Now you go to tukutuku orichikuza kuza kutanda mahali pichipichi mumpere 10 million now bali abantu bange esemere muno mutuzo kundetera abantu bange mbahurire wakozire ikizo cya barwani ugo no hayemerere murore very good arho murusozi ugo no murusozi betaro ndizo ayombekire hano kasoro kandi habaho umuhara wange kengacho ugo muhumakati wairogo engaju numuzumanya engaju neji nente of what type amahembe is not the main thing engaju nizista kengaju iyo tamire engaju
Your Excellency na mama ninyoke engaju Jennifer mahara waletu rubombora your hero obaitira rugenda bara ruini I'm your ardent supporter kandi engaju nizo ente za brown ente zentoro nkeza nkore mama
no nankore ziriyo egaju is a color which is a little bit like this one here but not bihogo. There's a bihogo
haro bihogo na gaju your Excellency
bihogo which is deep brown.
Bihogo is darker, gaju is lighter. Yes, Your Excellency.
So kengaju na manyire ngo enjo ekaterwa something.
Your Excellency na enju ekatomerwa matoka na motoka ekaberumu na my niece was amputated and hospitalized, Your Excellency.
So those people, and then the priest was saying something. So my staff, Mutuzo, you write a memorandum yourself about these 4 people and any other people I promised before, so that I handle it and give it to my staff here.
Thank you, Your Excellency. When we had a celebration for the platinum, for Golden Jubilee celebrations, you sent General Kahindo Tafire.
Yes.
And you pledged.
They don't communicate properly. I would sort it out.
100 million. Thank you, Your Excellency.
So you put it in one document, Mutuzo, all these, so that, and give it to acting PPS here.
Ogomeho kubura kiki.
Kare.
Kama wange kandike kimbele mazire kimuhereza kandi ninira ngo neje kikwasa.
Does it contain all this?
Ebyona bitairamo.
Amabara gange banyeta ana masa mugisa from Tiyo Omuruka Nyamiseke Ekyaro Hachitoma
No Rukachi. Oh, na
Mkeka.
Aha. Kale bakumpere milioni 3.
Kandi mbendesere no mugamba gwa movement beitu gwa nyeba mu office ya RDC.
Otafayo woba nimeja kudeleta.
Kandi nyina group ya bakazi 10 abarukuruka emikeka nkeji. Tugenda mugusu kugula emike, kugula enkindo na nerangi.
Kali unkwere milioni 3 omukitebe cyanyu ekyabakazi nateka milioni 5. Muzo milioni 3
May the Almighty Father in heaven power all His blessings upon you, and may you last long. Museveni oye! NRM oye!
Wait and you get your...
Haloho nemige hunzirwe bendera ya Uganda.
Now, hati mtozo wewe na gamba ebyengudo otagenda bakusente zao. Ebyabe nabaze bya engudo nemigera, that is bad planning. It's bad planning because tumukuya ensongo kurungi. Akahumbi kamu kali kahumbi kamu na milioni 3 tuzo kutinda mijera tuzo kwasa kutinda mijera to maintain a road which is already there. But if it is to make it bridges, that's new money. It can't be part of the routine. That is development. So we shall have to bring it up that they should not mix the maintenance. But zona ziramu You put 8. Ihauza wisatu ovali aba 5. Okay. So I'm now going to take it up to make clear that nobody should use that 1.3 billion to do bridges, because it can't manage. It is to maintain a road already done, to open, to grade like that, but not. So for the bridges, we need new money, separate money. You make a bridge, you hand it over, and then it is maintained. It is because people mix up; they don't discuss.
My name is James Ategeka. District Chairperson of Nyangabu. Your Excellency, obwejja kutubongera Women's Day celebrations. Abatako bakusobolira ekizibu ky'enguudo okagamba habwa Nyangabu. You pledged 4 billion shillings. Otoire billion nina nukwentindo tuzitinde. Abako batulinka supermarket ntukozesa omuhanda gumu ntwetorora habwentindo kubanga.
Yes. But they don't follow up. I forget once.
Nkaijayo, Your Excellency, since it was a policy, nkagenda ma minister. Minister of State, Honorable Musasi. And I was with the Minister Peace Mutuzu. Akagamba na President akababia. Kintu chikatusaliza with Your Excellency.
Now I am going to get you the money to do the bridges separate. But let Mutuzo put it in writing clearly, because this memorandum, these requests were verbal. Put them in a document so that the one who pledges separate, because pledges are private, but this one is official, so that I respond and we get that money for the. That's why we have, they are not serious, because why do we have special funds for areas? You find we have money for northern Uganda. We have money for Karamoja. The policy is already there that if there is a specific reason for the area, then we plan for it separately, addition to the regular, because the other 1.3 billion is regular, is routine. Now you are talking of, they are not serious. That's how they get, they mess up their development. So I will find out, Musa Sizi, how I am a liar, and Sizi, how I am a liar, and the other, what is the other one? The engineer.
He was the executive director of Uganda Road Fund, Engineer Nehema.
Is a man or a girl?
A man. He was the executive director of Uganda Road Fund.
Where is he now?
Yet the minister, the state, the secretary, the permanent secretary had written to him that since that money is too much, they should give it to us in a phased manner, 500 per financial year, so that we are able to maintain our bridges.
That's
otaferwa aha tayari west. Otaferwa aha tayari west.
Omagarageseji arihembere eri kutuhindura tukabeche chituri embereji eri kuhindura amazoba engendo narishi ebitebyo bitu nambwe no mumberejo bitwantoronde ekintu ky'omutana habindi namunonga ekintu ekiri kubasa kureta hecho kutangaza omagara gitu naniwe gabana haburungi bwa Wonders Family Jelly izoba ryawe ribe ry'omutano kakuziro mbirungo ebiri kuheza ombiri gukagaruka busya gukagira amani wena ukasigara no kuraje. Wonders Family Jelly nuko majuta agine kuguma harubaju neka yawe.
Wonders, always wonderful.
Otaferwa aha tayari west. Otaferwa aha tayari west.
Hair-raising moments, turn to Wonders Hair Products. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless locks and hello to hair that shines with vitality and strength. Because at Wonders, we understand that every day is a chance to create something beautiful, to embrace the wonder that surrounds us and make it a part of who we are. Don't be left behind. Try Wonders today and get the vibrant look you've always dreamed of. Wonders, always wonderful.
Otaferwa aha tayari west.
Izina ryanje nibanyita Mushemeza Elijah Dickens. Ndiyo mukugu aha byentasya na nebyentunguka na nebyobutegeki. Kandi ndi memba wa parlamenta abwishaza ebyashema eyamashuma ebakweta Shema County South. Nija kuba nimbasiyo program burusande urgashayi 10 ki 11 program eji ntuje torutindo. Tujja kuba ntureba orutindo ryagati ebyentasya na nebyo butegeki. Ebyetasya nibireta bita obutegeki burungi. Kandi obutegeki burungi nubaso butakugunjura ebyentasya. Bwenu program ejo nija kuba nihurikizwa abantu bingi munonga. So program y'orutindo abantu mwena nyenda mu gihurikirize twetegereze entasya y'ihanga ukwe kubasa kureta obugiga umakaga abantu entunguka y'ihanga ryona.
Otaferwa aha tayari west.